Hi guys, welcome to my blog. This is Rosalie Green Blogs, and I got this one. You see this box right here? It's called karaoke machine, just a little one. We already been using it, but this is the inside of it. You see that small karaoke machine right there? Is it cute? Isn't it cute right there? Isn't it cute? So this is the microphone with it. It's so cute too. And I got 2 of those microphone right there, like that. So 2 of those. Isn't it amazing? For only $28. And I got this at Amazon.com. So if you want to order it, I'm gonna put the link below my video on it. So keep an eye on it. And I will start the karaoke machine right there. See, it's connected already. So I'm gonna sing right now. Alright? Naka-on na ba? Oo. So dalawa kami nakakanta. So we're gonna sing together. Alright, here we go. Lala. Ayan, sabi! Don't you wish your boyfriend was hot like me? Don't you wish your boyfriend was free like me? Don't you? Don't you go there? So here we go, guys! That's what it is, right there. Oh, may ano pa? May kasabi ka pa.
Tapos, mati-change niyo po yung vocal.
Yeah.
Ano? So,
Anong vocal? Ito.
Hello?
Wow, that's amazing. Ayan, naging lalaki na yung mga boses namin. Sound good. Sound good. Oh, wow. Hello.
What you guys waiting for?
No, that's on 4.
You can order it. Ramazon.com. Order now! Huwag na kayo magkahuli! Alright! Don't wait too long. That's what I'm talking about. Don't wait too long. I English, your English, you English me. I said don't wait too long. You better get this online. And Amazon.com. Alright! Woo!